What's going on, guys? Julian's Jumpin Jeeps, and today we're gonna be upgrading the lights in our Comanche. I'm not gonna be going crazy in this video, but I didn't see a video on YouTube actually showing any information on it, so I just had to guess on my wiring. So let me show you guys, and for anyone that doesn't read the forums, you'll know how to upgrade your lights. Currently sitting backwards in my Comanche because I'm putting it all back together. If you haven't been watching my series, go check out my channel. Right now I'm wiring up my speakers, an amp, and just threw in this side. I have my battery disconnected because I'm about to do this side, and it requires taking off this guy right here because your pins sit inside there. But you can just pop these 3 pins out and then just plug them in to this new one. Is the new one, that's the name of it right there. I'm gonna try to find a link and post it down below. These are the ones I found on the forum. I've read about these a couple months ago. I never picked the set up, but I just picked up that LS Comanche that you guys saw, and it had these in it, so I took it out. These are the originals, made in France. Mine actually still works, so I'm gonna save mine, but the black does look a whole lot cleaner. So definitely gonna be putting these in, and just gonna show you guys which wire it is, because one of these pins are bigger. You can use the rest of the pins, but this one you have to open up and just widen out a little bit. You could cut it off and just put a new connection on, either or. All right, so this connector is just held down by little clips. You can pop it open, you pull this back, and you've got to yank out. You got to use a little pick, and you see the little pin on the left. You just have to push that in and pull these out. I'm not going to be able to show you guys. Maybe. Let me try to set you up. Alright, I actually got you guys set up. I got some new GoPro attachments, and I got you suction cup to the window. So, it's not too hard. You just got to get in there with the pin. You got to come in from this side, pry it out. Once you get it like that, you just gotta yank out. That's one. That's 2. Of course, 3 is gonna be a pain. Please don't break. There we go. Now you just have to widen out this red clip a little bit. It's actually put together with a joint, so you can widen it out quite easy. I only did just a little bit, just literally spread it out just enough so I can force this connector on, and that's on. That's on. You know what, let me check my phone which color was what, because one's got a black and white wire and one's solid black. So black and white wire in the middle, all black wire on the other end. Red wire goes on the end that's bigger. Now watch this, I'm gonna flip it on. All right, now I'm gonna go connect my battery, and this light should light up. Let me turn this light away. disconnect the battery.
Julian, hold up. I'm gonna go get a water.
Hey! There we go. And now I have new lights. That's the install for you guys. Hopefully you guys can do this with ease now and you guys don't have to do test and trial like me. And you won't have to look for 30-year-old lights. Alright, and that's it for the install. If you guys liked what you see, like, comment, subscribe. And come back for more. I'm gonna turn the light off now. Yeah, they don't provide much lighting. I also have dark tints, but like, comment, subscribe, come back for more, and if you want to see more of this Comanche fully back together and finished.